Hi everyone, BC Richfield here from the Burb Nest where we teach you how to trade. So today we're going to take a look at entry or trigger candles and how I use them. The first one that we're going to look at is the engulfing candle, okay? And for that, I want us to look at this example down here. So an engulfing candle is one that starts level or slightly below, okay? The ending point, of the prior candle. So the idea is that the candle itself, the body of that candle, literally engulfs the prior candle. In this situation, this is a bullish engulfing candle. So we're expecting a bullish move after this. So when we've had this move down here into a key support level, when we've lost that support level down here, this bullish engulfing candle has taken us above. When we've closed back above this level, we can then see the move that this has taken to the upside. So we're using these to play these into our strategy to find these points of entry or points that we can trigger our trades. When we're trading these in and around key support and resistance levels, what it does is it gives us a really good risk to return as well, because we can set a tight stop loss down here under the level with the candle that's broken us above, and then we're expecting a move to the upside. Okay? So that's the engulfing candle. Now, obviously, the bearish engulfing candle, which is the opposite, which would be one that we would target over here. And as we can see, as prices come in again, this time to a key support level, when the bearish engulfing candle has closed below that level, we can then see the sell-off that ensues. And again, this engulfing candle is representing the heavy selling pressure, all right, which has engulfed the previous candle. And then we can see the sell-off. So the next candle that I want to look at over here is a pin bar candle. Okay. Now a pin bar candle is a candle like this, where we have a long wick down to the smaller body. Now what this represents is obviously a lot of selling pressure that has pushed price back down. It's consolidated in this point. In this instance, it would also be akin to a shooting star candle, okay, which is another bearish candle. Now, something that I want us to consider here is, although this is a brilliant candle, we can see the sell-off that we got after the pin bar. The issue that I would have in taking this trade is it's not really close enough. It's not closing us in and around or below a key support or resistance level. So in this case, if we're looking for it in a bearish term, then we want this to be taking us below a key support level, which is this. And what we have is this one right here. So what we can see the long wick to the upside, closing with the smaller body that's closed us below this support level, and then price sells off. This actually followed by a bearish engulfing candle would be double confirmation that would play into our bias as to why we would be looking for shorts. Now, the third that I want to look at with you is known as an inside bar. Now, for this example, I want us to focus here. Now, an inside bar is a candle. It could be a candle of any type. You can see here that we've got a doji candle, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to mark the top of this candle here, and we're going to mark the bottom of the candle. For an inside bar to be valid, we're looking for the following candle, which is this one, to be within the prior candle's range. This first candle here is known as the mother candle. Now, what we're looking for is we're looking for when this breaks out or breaks down. But because we're looking for a bullish move here, we want to see price break up above this. And again, we've got this key mid-level here, which is our resistance level. So what we want to see from this is where this is slightly above that level. When price breaks out of here, this gives us two forms of confirmation. It gives us bullish confirmation because we've had a breakout from the inside bar pattern, but it also closes us above this level here, all right? And therefore, we're closing above a resistance level, which again plays into our bullish bias. So we can see that we've got the candle, then we have these two following bullish candles that close us above this level. And once again, we can then trade that to the upside. So remember, with inside bar candles, what we're taking, we're marking the base, we're marking the top. We need the following candle to close within the range. That means it can't go higher, can't go lower. And then that way we're waiting for a breakout or a breakdown, but we typically trade them in the favor of the trend. And in this case, we're looking for a bullish move up. We're also looking for a break of this resistance level. We get both of those with this breakout from the inside bar, which we can then see takes price higher. So once we know our levels, the key areas that we're looking at, if we look for our entry or our trigger candles, okay, like we've described here with the engulfing candles, with the pin bar candles, and with the inside bar candles, then we can start getting good trigger mechanisms that play in and add confluence to our theories. Okay, so do stop by the nest and ask any questions that you've got. Take some time, go and pick these out on the charts and see how effective they are and see how they suit your strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's a link in the description below, and I look forward to catching you all around the nest very soon.